What is going on, everybody? How are you guys doing today? I am your boy, Christian Israel, and you are tuned into the New Creation Capital podcast. Today, we've got something a little different for you. Normally, this is the place where we discuss what happens in the world, the stock market, and digital assets. Today, however, we are going to do a review. We're going to review what I believe is the number one trading exchange if you use Bitcoin. We're going to go over Prime XBT, and we're going to do a review of the site, how to trade for, and what it actually offers. Now, for you guys that know how I trade, I do 95% of my margin and leverage trading on Prime XBT. XBT is the actual exchange for Bitcoin. X normally means currency. BT would be your Bitcoin. So it is Prime Bitcoin, Prime XBT. And that's what we are going to go over today. We're going to try to knock out this for you, go through it, show you how I do. I created a brand new account. I even have a discount code, a bonus code for you. If you type in NEWCREATION, you're going to get 50% bonus on what you do for your Bitcoin as far as what you deposit up to 1 Bitcoin. So if you deposit 2 Bitcoin, you get 1 Bitcoin as a bonus to trade with to increase your margin position. So we're going to go over those things today. And this is what I'm looking forward to doing because I love trading on this site, guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on into what we are going to do today. Let's go.
Welcome to Prime XBT, the most powerful trading platform, offering immediate access to more than 30 assets. Trade cryptocurrencies, forex, stock indices, and much more, all from a single Bitcoin-based account. Easily multiply profits by trading with a 1 to 100 leverage. A $100 deposit gives a trader as much as $10,000 in capital. Earn from both growing and falling markets. Leave no profit opportunity behind. Grow your capital to new heights with multiple order types, low trading fees, and ultra-high liquidity. Registration doesn't require any personal information, so you can start trading in just a few minutes. Prime XBT, #1 platform for active traders.
All right, so that was the little intro video for what they do, just to give you that overall introduction to Prime XBT. It is primexbt.com, and this actually trades over 170 countries. I love trading on it. The KYC is quick. You set up an email, you get it set up, and you're able to trade. You can see here just by general, the website is very well done. They have the ticker at the bottom. You're allowed to trade multiple things. So if we're just looking, you're able to trade cryptocurrencies, forex currencies, commodities, and different stocks as well. They have all these different platforms. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break this down for you, and we're going to jump right on in. So as you can see here, I've already logged on to the account. So this is my brand new account here. You can see I deposited already 0.028 Bitcoin into the wallet. So before we actually go into some trading things, which I'm going to look at doing, maybe set a small trade for you guys on here, just so you can see how it works. We're going to break it down. So when you go to here, you click on account right here, and you're able to see what is going on. You've got different tablets: trade, turbo trading, co-vesting, and analysis. We're going to break all those down. You have your account summary, your deposit, withdraw, refer and own, promo code, which will show and we enter when we do this. So as soon as you get here, I want you to make sure you guys get acclimated with the site. So we're going to look around and look at the account. You see here, deposit to wallet. If I was to click on deposit to wallet, it will come up here and it will give me a Bitcoin address. You can see down here that I already deposited 0.0280447 Bitcoin earlier this week on the 15th. It gives me my deposit history. You can even buy Bitcoin here with a credit or debit card, which is really nice to do. Or of course, we can do it the old school way with the QR code and just send it directly. Once it is in here, you can go in here in your account. You can either hit fund trading, which will move this over to here, and then you can have a trading account. And we're going to get into that once it's time to kind of trade. So before I do anything, I'm going to enter the promo code that we talked about so it becomes active right now. So the promo code I believe, if you hit new creation right there, you can see it, and you hit activate, it should pop up and it says your promo code has been successfully activated. You're going to hit OK on that. Now, from 0/19/20 to 12/18/20 for the next 3 months, you will get a bonus up to 50% that is tradable for every 0.001 Bitcoin. So up to 50% active, you will get that bonus, okay? So here you'll be able to see it. It's active. I just now activated it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my account summary, okay? We're going to see right here, I have my wallet balance. What I'm going to do in order to move it over, I'm going to go to fund trading account. Now I see that I have 0.002. For me, just for the demonstrations, I'm going to hit max. It's going to fill everything up. I'm going to hit transfer, and now that has been moved into my account. You see my wallet balance is now 0, but my equity account is now 0.0420676717. So we can see right here that the award has already been added. You can see the award bonus is double. I've got 100% of my margin available. It added 50% of my account. So now that I've seen this, I can go click on trade to kind of see the setup. And here we go. It says you are all set. Your trading account has been successfully funded and you are now ready to make your first trade. We have prepared a quick guide taking you through the most important platform features to provide you with a seamless trading experience, quickly learning about trading with leverage, different orders, and order types. So as a review, we're also going to do this together for the first time. Now, again, I created a second account to show you guys. I have been trading on my personal account for Prime XBT for a while, but since I work with clients' money as well on there, I wanted to keep that private. So I have a whole other account set up, including current trades. And since this channel is not set for financial trading advice, I wanted to create a new one. So let's go ahead and look see what they have for us. First off, we see here that we have leverage trading, okay? It says leverage is the key to Prime XBT, the XBT trading platform. Please remember, guys, this is not a beginning exchange whatsoever. This is not beginning whatsoever. Again, this is not a beginning trading whatsoever. You have to be able to trade. You have to be able to trade across the board. Okay? That means not a beginner because this is leverage trading. All right? So if you have $1,000 of capital required, right? Say you have $1,000, you're able to trade up to $100,000. That's a pretty big deal. Full leverage between 1x up to, with 4x, 1,000x trading. Here you can see this is 10x trading, okay? So you want to make sure you're able to do this. It's pretty awesome. Here's an example of your leverage trading. Imagine you're buying 10 Bitcoins worth $3,500 each. You've bought 10 Bitcoins at $35,000. Since Prime XBT offers 1,000x leverage, you should only be using $350 from your account balance to open such a trade. If the Bitcoin price rises to $3,600, you'll still be able to make the same profit of $1,000, but at a considerably lower investment, guys. So basically, you can see here on 1x return, you make $1,000 if it moves. If you have 100x return, you're getting 285% return on investment. So it's basically you're able to get more of a jump, right? Make more money, less risk, but at the same time, more risk. Because if it moves in the other direction, you can lose money just as fast. So that's how leverage trading works. But again, if you are on this channel, you have already leverage traded before. So you already know how that works. But up to 100x leverage trading, I really love the platform. Now it says here, to place your click order, we're going to go over this. Click buy and sell. You can do market orders, limit orders, stop loss, or OCO orders. Conditional orders are what those are called. And I normally just do market, limit, and stop losses. I don't do conditional orders very often because I don't like playing with my money, to be honest with you. This is the order form. We're going to go through this so you can see how this works. I will walk you through it. And of course, we're going to walk over the margin levels and chats, and we're going to discuss that. And of course, you never want to use all of your margin, okay? So now that we've seen this, of course, you can always email them, support@help.primexbt.com to get it going. All right. So here, guys, you can see here that I deposited $155.32 worth of Bitcoin, but my balance is $310 because of my bonus. I haven't traded anything, so my available margin on on $155 is $465. Okay? So let's back that up. Balance $310.65, awarded 50% of that, which is $155, giving me $465 to trade. So I deposited $300. I was rewarded $155. I have $500 basically to trade. I haven't made any profit. I haven't lost any profit. I'm still at 100% trading. Okay. Now, just going to walk you through this basic trading here. You can see on the left side, you can set these charts up however you want, but you're going to have BTC USD here, and you can just trade down. You even have different currencies. Again, you have your CFD, which is going to be your oils, your Dow, your SP 500, your natural gas, your NASDAQ, Japanese exchange, France exchange, the Euro 500 or Euro 50, however you want to trade. Basically, pretty cool, right? So you can go, all you got to do is click on trade, whatever you want, and each one will pop up. Or if you just want to do Forex, which is the currencies, you can do all your currencies right here. A lot of the currency I like to trade would be, for instance, let's see here. Where's my Japanese? The yuan, the yen versus the, let's see here. I'm looking for it. USD. Let's just do the euro for now. I click on it. You can see here it's already set up. It's got a MACD set up for me already, and we've got the candle charts on the 5-minute. Of course, you can do the daily, the weekly, the monthly, however you want to trade in a single place. This is not where I do my analysis at, but this is a place where you can kind of get a gist of where it's going, and I'm not going to do any analysis here for you to look at, okay? So there we go. If you want to go into crypto itself, you can go into crypto on the left side. Not a lot of crypto to trade. You're going to have Bitcoin, Ethereum, EOS, Litecoin, XRP, all USD pairs. And then you're going to have ETH, Litecoin, EOS, XRP, Bitcoin pairs. Now, when you trade with Bitcoin on the USD, you're still using your Bitcoin, but you're able to see it in the USD level, okay? Pretty simple to see that there. All right, so we see here you have other things like charts. We can go to a 4-screen chart, 5-screen chart, however you want to set this up. I've got Bitcoin here. I've got the euro over USD currency. I've got the S&P 500 on the bottom left. I've got oil on the bottom right. Just something I like to look at and how I like to trade and set it up. Now, you also have trading history, which I have no trading history whatsoever right now. So it's just empty. And then you're going to have your activity log where you can see any trades, anything like that, but nothing is set up yet because we have not done a trade. So this is a pretty cool platform. I really, really enjoy it, but they got some other really cool features as well. Let's go look at Turbo. Now, Turbo, we're going to do the demo, okay? We're going to do it, well, it's a 10-minute demo, so I'm not going to do it too long, but you can basically, I call it roulette, right? Up or down, you can bet on up or down, and you can make money doing the potential profit. So basically, in 10 minutes, I bet that it's going to be higher than the 11,052, or I can bet that it's going to be lower. And based on that, I can set up my own balance. This is for those who just want action, a lot of action here, and you can set it up however you want on the time frame you want to see what it looks like. You want to break it down to the 4-hour, you can see that as well. You're just basically saying, hey, where's it going to go? If you know how to read a chart and you want to just take a guess at what it's going to do, for instance, everyone knows there's a lot of action between 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, an hour before the daily close, up to 30 minutes before the daily or weekly closes. There's a lot of action, so this is where you can make a lot of money or lose a lot of money based on what you're doing. You can have open positions to look at here. You'll show your trade history, all your trades here. That's going on here so you can see what everyone's doing. They even have a leaderboard set up for people who have made money. So far, for instance, Logo has made 4.84 Bitcoin doing this today, which is pretty nice, right? So you can see that. So this is just a nice little, kill your time. It's cool to do. Again, it's more of a gamble, but if you are a trader, this is a good place for you. All right, so next is co-vesting. Now, what they say is this is a pretty big deal, okay? You're actually going to invest in somebody else, so they want to make sure you know exactly what you're doing. That's why it says this product involves significant risk of capital because you can lose a lot of money betting on somebody else. And that's what this is, so let's talk about it. This is brand new. They just launched this recently. I'm thinking about personally setting up a co-vesting so people can follow me. And this is what you can do with it. It says, co-vesting is the unique platform where experienced traders meet new investors in a transparent, safe, and mutually beneficial environment. This is a quick tutorial to kind of get used to the tool. All right, so we see here you can follow someone's strategy and see how they're successful. And what happens is you can earn fees, or I guess profit, by profiting from somebody else, or if you trade, you can earn by someone paying you for them to follow your profit. But at the same time, you can lose money if they lose money. All right. Again, your capital is at risk because what you're doing is you're automatically copying other people's trades. If you're not comfortable and that person's just rocking along and doing well, you can copy it. Okay. So this is a good way for you to diversify your portfolio and try to create a strategy. So what you can see here is, for instance, we'll go into today's profit. Number one here, no one, he's made 1,511% total profit with a 1-star rating. Followers have made $250,000 off of him. And you see here, he's lost 4% today, 22 days active, 552 follows. BTC Monkey is up 651% period. Profit today, 5.16%. He's got a third of a million here, 33%, 348 million doing that. And you can follow these people. You can follow these people to see what their investments are. You can see how they're doing. What's today's profit? The best guy today just started. Strategy Prime just started today, up 32% today, 30 followers. He's made $31,000 today. Pretty cool. And as far as his equity is concerned, you can see the worst too. Someone is down 29%, up overall 10%. This person's up overall 65%, down 17% on the day. So it is no different than what we're looking at. If we want to see who's got the most rocking, BTC Monkey has been making the most. I think this is pretty cool. I like this strategy. I want to create a strategy so people can follow my trades. And again, if they lose, you lose. If they win, you win. But at the same time, you're also paying that commission for it. So it's a good strategy to follow. As you see here, I have no history with them. And then you can also create a strategy. Crypto, Forex, commodities, and indices, right? So something you can do, set it up, see today's profit, and there you go. Again, this is for the day traders. You can see strategy name, describe it, initial amount, and go from there. So you can see follower, platform manager. They break it down exactly how people are getting paid. So the follower is going to get 75%. The platform is going to get 5%. If they do more in one week, and you'll get paid 20%. So if you set it up, you get 20%. If you're following, you get paid 60 to 75% of what it is. Okay? So last but not least, there is another account here. This is analysis. This is where you can go basically do your trading view stuff. Okay, so since this has been connected also to my other account, you can kind of see how I have it set up a little bit. I've got mine set up with some of the pivots here, so you're just going to see the daily pivots, and you're going to see, why am I blanking? Oh, my Fibonacci tool. It's like, man, why am I blanking? So you can see it's already set up. Got my RSI on top. Same thing with the scotch on the bottom. Anyway, so this is where you can do all your trading, break down a little more real analysis here. Okay, so this is a place if you want to do your real analysis. You've got your toolbar on the right, just like if you're doing TradingView. So for instance, if I want to do a Fib retrace based on this move here for XRP, what we've just seen, boom. Okay, so I just did a Fibonacci retrace tool just to see what's going on this retrace. Down, up, we see it's moved almost 1-to-1 on that complete move here on the retrace already. And now we're working back to the 618. And this is not analysis, so I won't break into that. So this is a pretty cool place for you to do it. I love this feature. You even got some news here that they're developing. They're still working on it, but it's coming. And then I think the markets is also developing. So this, although this is an awesome, I think it's the number one trading just for Bitcoin, they still have a lot more go. Again, you've got the co-vesting, which we've talked about as far as the community is concerned and how people are doing, real time, active days, followers. Great feature that they just launched, which I tell you, I'm going to try to get into. Again, they have the turbo where you can basically roulette it, see if you would have went down over the last 10 minutes, you could have made some money. You can profit, bet as much, you bet a Bitcoin, win a Bitcoin. Pretty simple. And of course, you have your trading platform where you can trade your your basic stock markets, your Forex, and your crypto. I love this platform. I really, really, really do. Mainly because when I do this and I set it on the second screen, I can have 8 of these across the board and you're looking at it. It keeps you up to date exactly where your profit is, how much margin you used, available margin, balance. So for instance, if I want to put in a trade right now for Bitcoin, I can go here, I can click buy, I can do a market or a limit. If I set a limit right here, I can do a buy, for instance, and go at 10,700, okay? Let me see something real quick before I do this. So if I want to set a buy at, we'll say 10,700, and I want to do my margin. You can see here, basically your margin is down here, how much I use. So if I do 1 Bitcoin, look, it's used 0.01 of my margin impact. So if I do 10, you have 0.09 BTC of my margin impact. So it's going to do as much as possible. If I do 100,000, about 100, 1.7 BTC, basically more than I actually have right now. So I don't think it will let me trade that. But if I just want to go 0.03 of my margin, set the limit to buy. I can also set my stop loss. I set my stop loss, for instance, at 10.5. just to have a little stop loss. And then I can also set my take profit, for instance, maybe at 11.9. And then here's what I can see. I can see my projected loss on profit will be 0.005 loss on BTC, but profit 0.03, which this is actually double my profit. And then I can hit send order. What we'll do, we'll say confirm, buy order, stop loss, take profit. I can confirm right there. It says order placed. Now what I can do here is go to my activity log, and I can see right here that it says order placed, and there it is. If I click on trading history, it's still, I still don't have any trades yet, so I can't set that up. But on this setup, how I like it, I've set mine up differently, but this is the platform for today. You can see down here where it says orders. Let me bring this up so we can see this. Down bottom left. Okay. We can see orders here, right here. So I can see size 0.03, 10.7. You see it's a buy. Now, for instance, if I want to set another one, we're going to do another one. We're going to do a sale. Okay. We're going to do a limit sale. We're going to do it at 12,200. Okay. We're going to place the stop loss at 12,300. Okay, and we're going to take profit at 11.4. All right, you see here, okay, same thing, 0.03. I got a limit order, sell. You can see my profit margin, same thing, projected profit. If I take that, oh, that needs to be 11,000. I was like, what the heck? There we go. Same thing, hit send order. Sell at $12,235. Stop loss 12.3. Take profit. Confirm. Now I've got a buy order and a sell order here on the left. I can double click buy and I can change it on the spot, or I can cancel it, right? And once I cancel it, it should just go away. Oh, well, I canceled what I was doing here, but I did not actually cancel this order. If I want to cancel order, I hit the X, confirm, X, confirm. Done. just like that. Perfect, easy to do. Okay? Again, now I can go to my activity log, and here's your it's canceled. I placed those 2 orders, I canceled those 2 orders, and we are in a good place. So that's basically how you trade it up. I'm not going to do actual put in a live position trade now because I don't want anybody to go and do that trade as this goes up. I don't want someone to worry about that. So in the meantime, this is the platform. I really, really like the platform. I think it's great. Please remember, you can also go to the account. Again, promo code, type in NEWCREATION. You get a bonus 500 or bonus 50% as added to whatever you do, which talked about. You also have the referral programs in here, Prime XBT link, which we're going to, there will be a link below for you there. Again, if you want to withdraw everything you have, let's go through that. So we're going to go to account summary. We're going to go withdraw to wallet, max, transfer, and boom. Look at that. I have nothing available here. Now, my wallet balance is back to 02884, and now it's in there. It's back into deposit to wallet. If I want to get out of here, I go to withdraw, type in your destination address. Of course, you hit max, submit withdraw. Bada bing, bada boom, your money's back to your wallet, wherever you want to do, so you can move the money in and out. And now if I go to the promo code or my account summary and trade, you can see I'm back to 0. You do not get to keep the bonus. You only put it in there what you're using, okay? So it's a good way to go ahead and put the money in, make money, make what you're going to get, and take it out. Not financial advice, just the truth. But you can still see my promo code is still active, and that's how that works. So guys, I think this is your whole, this is Prime XBT. I think it's a great platform. Like I said, I really, really love it. Let me know what you think below of Prime XBT. Are you using it? Have you used it before? Again, there is a promo code, NEWCREATION, to get your 50% bonus. Make sure you use it, guys. What a great time to be alive trading crypto. If you are not a trader, this is not for you unless you only put in here what you're willing to lose. Let me make sure I tell you that. It's a great platform. I love the platform. I use it. I have an app for my phone. It is great. Okay, so I hope you guys have enjoyed your day. I hope you guys really, really enjoy this. Please comment below. You guys know what it is. I'm your boy, Christian Israel. You are tuned into the New Creation Capital Podcast. Today we did a review of Prime XBT. Go give them a shout out. Join it. Let me know what you think below. Okay, guys? Until next time, guys, please remember, God loves you. I love you. You are loved. Peace and love. Later, guys.